In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Renderforest subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can confidently stop future renewals without any confusion. Start by logging in to Renderforest. Head to the website and sign into your account as you normally would. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you've used multiple emails in the past. Being in the right account ensures you see the correct billing details and plan information. Once you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for your profile. This is usually represented by your avatar, your initials, or a small user icon. Click that profile area to open the account menu. This menu is your gateway to all personal settings and billing options. From that menu, click on View Profile. This takes you to your full account dashboard where settings are organized into clear sections. It's designed to make navigation straightforward so you can find billing and plan information without digging through unrelated pages. Inside your profile area, locate the Subscriptions section. Click into Subscriptions to open your billing page. This is the central place where Renderforest displays your plan details, including what you're currently subscribed to and how it renews. Here you'll see your current plan and the options to cancel. This page shows the status of your subscription, your renewal timing, and the control you need to stop future charges. If your goal is to end your subscription, this is where you initiate that process using the visible cancellation option. When you choose to cancel, the platform may present a short confirmation or a note explaining what happens next. Typically, cancellation stops auto-renewal going forward, and you often retain access until your current billing period ends. Be sure to read any on-screen notes so you know when your access will change and whether any unused time remains on your plan. If you don't immediately see subscriptions, give the page a moment to load or scroll within the profile area, since billing sections can sometimes be nested under tabs. Also, keep an eye out for any alerts or messages explaining your plan status, as those can clarify what you're currently on and what will happen after cancellation. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your profile from the upper right, select View Profile, go to Subscriptions, and review your current plan and the option to cancel. Take a moment to confirm the details and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.